A market usually taking place outside where old or used goods are sold. Flea markets have become a very popular place to shop for one-of-a-kind items. They can be found all over Germany, from major cities to small and rural towns. Every market features their own unique atmosphere, creating a special experience for the thousands of people visit each year. Traditional flea markets are often set up along the streets, making them a more seasonal concept. You can buy used goods in reasonable price. Enjoy shopping.